Hi guys, what's up? So for today's video, happy birthday to me. Yes, it's my birthday and nandito kami ngayon sa labas with the whole fam. Tada! Bibisita kami guys sa kay Santa Claus actually. Damn, it's so hot today. But buti na lang, medyo nag-cloudy na. So papakita ko sa inyo guys kung asan kami. In 3, 2, 1. There's a tall woman, guys. What? It's so fun.
Did you even hold the camera for you?
Yeah. What am I? So we're here, guys. Periyahan. Yes. This is just Periyahan na upgraded. Welcome to Periyahan, Australia. So guys, pag dito, carnival. Grabe. Periyahan, grabe naman. Okay. Okay na yung panahon. Diba?
Which one do you wanna ride?
Which one do you wanna ride, guys? Parang ano lang ako. Mahiluin kasi ako, guys, kung di nyo alam. Pwede tayo mag-carousel muna. Mga kuro carousel pwede, ayan. Can we go? Tara. Asa matanda, guys, dito lang.
Why here?
Because I'm old.
Upstairs, mommy.
Tara, punta tayo sa taas. Wow! It's starting, guys. Ayan na siya. Nahilo na ako agad. Wow! Guys, said help. Nahilo na ako. Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. Natakot. Hindi pa tapos. Ayoko na. Tigil na natin to. Guys, sa wakas tapos na. Tara na, baba na tayo. It was so fun. Litong-lito ako. Hilong-hilo. So we're off sa next namin na pupuntahan, which is the Santa's Winter Wonderland. Diba? Ang arte-arte. Santa Winter's Wonderland. Ay, may ano siya. May pa drizzle. This is drizzle. Where's the entrance? So, buksan na natin yung super night mode natin. Ayan, naka-ano tayo. Super night mode. Ayan. Sana Winter Wonderland. Parang Santa Summer Wonderland. Ang ginete. Ano?
Winter!
Wait, look! Wow! It's so cute.
I think they made it hot on purpose so that they could sell drinks.
Yeah. Tara, dali! Wow! Wow! Can you do it one more? Wow! iPhone!
Never mind. Not a good idea to stand there.
Yeah. In your hair. Yeah, that's shampoo. It's nice here, but it's so hot. Oh, ayun si Santa. Oh.
And save money with it.
Ayun si Santa. Go, no? $10. Ay, charot. Mahal naman, te. Ito, $30. Bay na. Ayun, no? May digital copy ba?
Magpa-plus 15.
Ah. Mahal naman po picture kay Santa. So guys, ayan oh. Picture lang yan. Parang payat si Santa. Healthy living na din si Santa. Tingnan nyo. So guys, tara papapicture tayo kay Santa. Ang buga nitong electric fan, ang init. Ito din. Ano daw? Sige, Kuya, ikaw na.
Ikaw na ring.
Ring.
Stand it?
Yeah. Santa. Sabi niya gusto niya daw ng Hot Wheels. Little did he know, nabilhan ko na siya sa Temu. Hindi lang Hot Wheels, pero madami. Pero hindi Hot Wheels.
Wait, did Winter say Hot Wheels?
Yeah. Let's go na sa labas kasi sobrang init dito. Go! Is it working? Hala ko. Nakatakot. May naku na tulos. So guys, nakasilong kami ngayon dito kasi sobrang ginit. And then we go here sa may mga chairs and tables. And mag-order kami ng refreshments to be refreshed.
Ay, doon tayo next.
Ay, ayan! Gurubam car. So next, Gurubam car. So ayan guys, si Rain. Nautosan ni mama niya bumili. Go! Na anxiety daw siya pag mag-order sa mga counter. Arte-arte. Lahat naman tayo nagaganon, no? The hit is killing me. The killing me is hit. Naging ang hit. Kaya nga ang lukot-lukot niya.
Kaya nga eh, nagpa-picture na lang ako.
Ah, si Cloud.
Ayun, bumper na.
So guys, we're here. Baka next na tayo, guys. Start na sila. So let's go, guys. We're going na. At sa amin, malungkot na yung sounds. Ano ba mga gano'n? Seatbelt? Pag na. Winter! Ala ka, win! Tangin na mga katilapon ako! Gabi naman to! Get away from me! Get away from me! Woo! Ala ka, Winter! Ala ka, Winter! Oh, too bad.
As much as I love you guys to jump up this ride today, sadly it is now finished. Please make sure you have all personal belongings, and I hope to see you guys again soon.
Rain, ano? Injured? Are you injured?
No. I just kept on hitting my knee again.
Nakakabila po na ko, guys. What the page? Ang ulo nito, Grabe makabundol. Akala mo may atraso ako sa kanyang apakabigat. So now, guys, we're going to the circus. Nagkabunggoan kami ni Grabe si Cloud. Si Cloud.
Winter, did you have fun?
Gumano si Cloud. Kading nakabayulit linti ang parabunggo ako. Sa payungan ko kadi. It's free circus and it's showtime. Low light, no problem. Mag super night mode tayo. Tada! Okay na. Go, Winter! What's that? Can I try? Thank you. Wow! Galing ni ate. Pwede mo PGT. Guys, eto na yung bundol sa kanang bundol. Guys, it's over. So let's go now. Winter. Bye bye. Oh, come on! Oh, yeah! Yes! Malamig na, guys. Where to next? Gusto ni Winter maglaro. Where do you wanna play? Uy, uy, uy! Parang wag na lang. Charot. How can we win? Points? Okay. Oh, no. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Use this.
Yes.
1, 2. Get the big one. Careful, careful. Yay! That's 3. Hey, do you need to pee? Do you need to pee? That one. 4. Get the penguin, this one. 5.
Nice penguin.
Is it 6 now?
Yeah.
What last? Do you need to pee? Wait. Okay, I'll pick the last one. Ano kayang gusto ko? Kuha tayo ng blue. Ay, ano to? Sige, ito na lang. Is that included?
Oh, no. It's in there.
Okay. Yan, kala ko kasama. Okay, last one. At ibayadan mo na. $20. Ihingi na guys si Winter, naglalaro pa. The what? Sorry? Ano mo?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna wait for my nephew.
Okay.
Sa labas pa naman yung restroom. Ayan na siya guys, nakaihi na. You won, Winter!
You won!
You choose. What do you want from the walls? You need to pick a toy. There, on the
All
wall.
the toys.
You choose. You carry him. He wants to see. Rain, move to the right. Tagal nila, guys. So guys, ito kami, magpa-flight na kami. Ayan. Tada! Mabagal lang siya, so sasama tayo. Let's go! Dito na ako, guys. Kaya ba ako nito?
My legs don't fit.
So di daw kasya yung legs niya. You should sit on the front. So safety. Diyos ko itong safety nila guys, oh. Parang kakapit na lang ako na mahigpit. Show yourself. Yeah. Rain, where are you? Ganito lang oh, kabagal. Yay, ako na sa akin ganito lang. Ah! Rain, kaway. Wave. Ano kayo mga bata? Yun, sumisigaw. Rain, put your hands up! Ate Gay, put your hands up! Woo! Woo! Akala mo roller coaster. Okay, boring na siya. It's done! Ay, sus Maria. Okay, thank you. So fun. Thank you so much. Good day. Ano, Bam Carlet o rematch? Charot. Bahala na si Batman.
Okay, guys, that's it. That's all. I hope you guys had a great ride.
Shit. Sabi mo, mild lang yung ikot. Pwedeng number 1, level 1 lang yung ikot.
Ray, smile naman na linsen ka sa buhay ni Nanya.
Yes, we're turning. No. Oh, you ano this, prevent from turning so that we don't turn. Ha 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 ha. Ha. Kaptan mo kan but nga, tabing di mag-ikot.
Imagine turning. We're not turning.
Yeah, because we're holding on to it.
Think about trying to move it. Oh wait, it is. Wait.
No, don't. You hold it. It's done.
Walao eh. I wanted to speed.
Oh shit, pabalik naman. Okay lang, I'm cool. I'm a cool girl.
You're a cool gal.
Cool girl. Cougar?
Oh, no! Cool gal. I didn't say cougar.
This isn't so bad. Yeah, I don't care. I'm just gonna focus on the camera. Rainey's turning the teacup, turn a little teacup, small and spout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. Lintian ka! mas mabilis pa yung ikot niya kaysa dun sa Rain! I'm dizzy na.
biology.
Oh, you. You. Thank you. You too. Let's go for a rematch. I'm gonna go with this. Round 2. Fight. What are you doing to me? Ala ka, Winter! Ala ka, Winter!
That's all. I heard you guys had a great ride here today. Please make sure you have all personal belongings.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Winter, are you okay? Okay na. Solved na. So guys, ayan, tapos na ang ating birthday bash. Wow, may pa ganun. Na namin tong bump car and we're going home na. Ayun guys, this is the spectacular Santa Churba Churba Egg Egg. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye! Bye-bye ka mo! Bye! Win, bye!
Happy birthday!
So guys, kung narinig niyo, happy birthday daw.